10 ways to become a millionaire in your 20s. Imagine if you could become a millionaire. How great would it be to have the money you need to live the lifestyle you have always wanted? Now imagine if you could do this in your 20s. Even if you think it sounds like a stretch, it is possible to become a millionaire at a young age. It doesn't require years of school or training. Just hard work and the right approach is desired. These rules apply to any age, and if followed properly, they can help you become a millionaire sooner than you ever imagined. Hello and welcome to Luxus. Here are 10 ways to become a millionaire in your 20s. Number 1. Focus on profiting from boring niches. It will take ages for you to become a millionaire through traditional occupations, like becoming a lawyer, doctor, or banker. In fact, these occupations usually have earnings limits. Also, the time required to study any of these professions require years of practice and hard work. You need to push past these preconceived old concepts and think unique ways on how you can make use of these professionals for your benefit in order to be a millionaire. Number 2. College and graduate school are irrelevant. If your number one goal is to become a millionaire, not to hold a specific type of job, then college and graduate school are pretty much irrelevant. They cost money, they can put you in debt, and if you want to be a millionaire, you can learn everything you need to know online about most things without the big tuition costs. Number 3. Sacrifice your social life to study. It can be really hard to want to sacrifice your social life, especially when you are in your early 20s. However, if you want to truly become a millionaire, you need to be willing to sacrifice your social life in order to focus on your career. Spend this time studying, perfecting your talent, or working on your skills, product, or developing your company. The more you can focus on working on your talents instead of being out socializing, the better your time will be spent on becoming a millionaire. Number 4. Accept defeats and mistakes along the way. No matter where you are looking to go with your career, chances are you are going to face a number of defeats and setbacks. These mistakes are completely normal. What is important is how you handle them. Personally, I actually lost a lot trading stocks for the first few months until I got the hang of it. Mistakes are normal. How you handle them is what sets you apart. Number 5. Aim higher than 1 million. Money shouldn't be your end game. Rather, you should focus on making the best product or service possible, and the money will come as a result from that. Your goals should always be growing, and you should never feel like you are done working towards your goals. If you want to make the 1 million, the second you reach that goal, you should be looking to your next one. Number 6. Don't scam people. The key to making millions is patience and honesty. You need to be forthright when it comes to working with others. Criminal or unethical money never lasts, and it will never give you the type of professional reputation that you can use to create millions. Number 7. Take advantage of hot sectors. When certain sectors are really hot, you need to get in early to make your money. Take advantage of these hot sectors to start making your millions. Right now, some of these hot sectors are social media, NFT, and crypto. These hot sectors can lead you to the millions you want to make. Number 8. You don't need to focus on next-generation technology. Many aspiring millionaires, especially young aspiring millionaires, think that they need to focus on next-generation technology in order to make their fortunes. This isn't the case. Even merging something old and boring with a fresh take is what led to the creation of eBay. Number 9. It doesn't matter where you live. One of the great things about the internet is that it allows for sales, commerce, and profits to come from anywhere. You can run your business anywhere that you have an internet connection. You don't need to physically live in a big market to make money. This is a great opportunity to live somewhere you actually want to live while still making a great deal of money. Number 10. Your business doesn't need to profit for you to succeed. So many people are only focused on creating a business that has profits. Businesses don't need to have profits. They just need growth, users, and some edge. Many businesses are acquired just for their attributes other than profit. Focus on user growth rather than raw profits. No one pays for a good idea that's lacking in users. Hope you got some value out of this video. If so, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Luxus if you aren't already, and we'll see you in the next one.